So in sort of conclusion, IR35 seems a lot to do. Francis has scared the life out of me. When I do start work again, Francis, it's be quite scary. But I don't think it should be that much of a concern if you prepare now and you get some professional help. I think it's about knowing and engaging your contractors, engaging them now, making sure they understand, keeping them in the loop of everything you're doing in terms of the assessments and how it's coming out for them. You've also got to educate your hiring managers, because ultimately the hiring managers at the front end, in the client, they're the guys who are going to influence whether people are inside or outside. The way you hire and the way you contract is absolutely fundamental to whether you can keep people PSC or not. And it may say something in the contract, and as senior manager, I've been there, I've seen the contract and I say it's absolutely clear. This is how it should work. When you actually delve into the reality of what's actually happening, it's a totally different scenario. The working contract is different to what it says on the paper. And that's what you'll be assessed on. So you've got to educate your hiring managers to ensure that if you say it's a work package, or we call it work package, I think you called it something else, didn't you, when you wanted to, statement of work, yeah, we call it work package. If it is truly a work package, and that's where you're going to go to keep people a PSC, you ensure that the hiring managers keep it as a work package. They don't then, afterwards, somehow impinge on that contractor as though they're an employee. You know, come to work at this time, you can have the breaks at the same time, you can have these benefits, we'll pay you this per hour. You know, even it gets to that silliness like that. You think you start out as a work package, but over time, complacency comes in, and the people are just getting paid day rate or hourly rate, and basically you've lost. So it's about educating the hiring managers as well. Understand your risks, try to mitigate them. Francis has gone through a number of those already. I think using a reputable agency to do that is fundamental. And wherever there's confusion, there's always opportunity, okay? And you can use this as a bit of an opportunity. So we've probably scared everybody about all the risks, and I think there is an opportunity here, because for you to keep the benefits of employing contractors versus, say, a competitor who is lazy and doesn't, gives you a competitive advantage, okay? You could probably consolidate your agency structure. And dare I say, you could probably negotiate. Now, I'm not allowed to say that, strike that then. If you're going to consolidate, as I always would, if I was consolidating, I'd be seeing that as an opportunity to get some synergies to the winning bid. Midge is not shaking his head. I told you they were my own views, all right? All right? But not one size fits all, okay? Be absolutely clear, not one size fits all. So there's some things I've said probably don't work for you. You can't relate to them, but I truly believe that there is, you know, this is going to happen. You've got to embrace it and look at the opportunities for yourself in that implementation plan. So we're available for questions. I'll catch any time? No time caught up there as the no. So that's it for me. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening. Anyway, cheers. Thank you.